So you want to go to the grid view and click on this automations um, button on the right and click on new automation. So first we need to add a trigger. As I mentioned earlier, we want an automated email that will be sent to the employees after they submit uh, their answers to the form. So that's going to be this one, when a form is submitted. Uh, let's add action. So the action is to send email. You can also have the other options here to create a new record, to find records, and all the other stuff. But for now, we have, or we want to use the first one, which is to send email. If you see here, it has an error message. Two fields have errors. Okay, let's just fix that. Oh yeah, we need to add, or we need to select which table we want to automate. And that's the build one over here. Next, which form? That's the equipment preference form. Going back over here, we need to just to set this up. Description, if you want, that's an option, or that's optional. So we need to add the recipients of the automated email. So I'm just going to add myself so we can check later if it works. Add multiple recipients. Um, we want this automated email to be sent to the person that submitted the form. So to do that, you need to click on this plus button, select this one, and look for the email field that we added in the main table. Wait, where is it? I think it's this one. Oh, we just forgot to name it or to rename it because it was originally the notes form. Let's just go back. And yeah, here it is. It is an email field. Yeah, let's just rename it. Email address. You gotta make sure that each field is renamed accordingly, just so you won't be confused when you set up the automations, just like what happened now. Anyway, so going back, we have the recipients here. Click on the plus button and then choose email address. So the email address of the person that submitted the form will automatically be the recipient of the automated email. Next subject. This is going to be for the subject of the email. So let's just write your equipment preference. And then here's the body of the email. So you want to say hi. And then you want to add name of the person that submitted the form. But of course, each automated email will only be triggered if there is a form that gets submitted by someone and there are different people that will be submitting the form. So this has to be automatically added. I mean, the name of the person will be automatically added. And to do that, click on this plus button, click on record, and then find the name of the person. And that's this one from the complete name field. So insert that. And so by doing that, the name of the person that submitted the form will automatically be added here. So it can be anyone as long as they put their name in that complete name field in the form, then their name will populate in this message. So hi, and then the name. Next, I say a thank you message. Thank you for submitting. Next, we want to add the relevant information about their equipment preference response. So we need, or we can add their preferred operating system in the message because we already have their name here. Yeah, so we have your preferred system, Colin. Yeah, just to show you how to utilize the text formatting in this part. So if you want this to be bolded, you can make this, or you can bold this part by adding, as you can see here, if you want to bold a word or a phrase, you need to add double asterisks on both sides or on both ends. So we just add that. Then after that, we want their answer for their preferred operating system. So it's this one, operating system, continue. So you want to select the name, not this or this or this, but the name. And that's going to populate the name of their selection. For example, Windows or Mac OS and stuff like that. And then click on enter, just so there's going to be a line break. And then we want another bolded phrase for, I think we can also add headset part. So your preferred headset, colon, then we got the double asterisk. And then next to that is their answer for this field. So you want to choose this one, headset. Again, click on the name so that the full name of the full word will be populated in this part. Again, you have to click on enter so that there will be a line break after that. We also want to add, I think we can add this list of their requested equipment. So again, click on or add the asterisks, and then maybe you can other you requested, and colon, and then double asterisks again. And as you did in the previous parts or the previous ones, you wanna click on plus record and look for that list field, insert. And as you can see, we didn't have to select if it's name, ID, or whatever, because this is not a multiple select field. We had to do that for these two because they were both multiple select fields. What else? We want to add the date information, their pickup date, and bold pickup date. Then that, then again, plus record, and go and find pickup date field. There it is. I think that's it. Let's just preview how it looks like. Are we missing anything? Okay, we need to click on the on button first. Okay, so before we can preview, we have to first test this previous trigger. So test trigger. If it says successful, then we can go to the next one. So it says successful, go back here, properties. So here, yeah, we can preview now. It's gonna look like this. You don't have the answers yet because we don't have a sample record yet for this table or for this form. So let's do that.